Welcome to today's math challenge. In this video, we will solve an interesting proportion puzzle step by step, ensuring that every part of the solution is explained in a simple and clear way. Here is the problem. If A divided by B is equal to C divided by D, and A plus B is equal to 10, find all possible integer values of A, B, C, and D. Let's understand the problem. We are given a proportion. A divided by B equals C divided by D. This means that the two fractions represent the same ratio. We are also given another condition. A plus B equals 10. This tells us that the sum of A and B must always be 10. Our goal is to find integer values of A, B, C, and D that satisfy both conditions. To make this easier to solve, let's rewrite the proportion using cross multiplication. This means A times D is equal to B times C. Since we already know that A plus B equals 10, we can express B in terms of A. B equals 10 minus A. Substituting this into our proportion equation, we get A times D equals 10 minus A times C. Now, we need to find integer values that satisfy this equation. Let's find integer solutions for A and B. Since A plus B equals 10, let's list all possible integer values for A and compute the corresponding values of B. If A equals 1, then B equals 9. If A equals 2, then B equals 8. And so on. Till. If A equals 9, then B equals 1. Let's find integer solutions for C and D. For each pair of A and B, the values of C and D must be chosen so that A times D equals B times C. Let's go through an example. If A equals 2 and B equals 8, then the proportion must hold. 2 times D equals 8 times C. To keep things simple, let's choose C equals 1 and solve for D. 2 times D equals 8 times 1. Simplifying. 2D equals 8. Dividing both sides by 2. D equals 4. So one valid solution is 2, 8, 1, 4. Similarly, let's try another set. If A equals 3 and B equals 7, then 3 times D equals 7 times C. If we set C equals 6, then 3 times D equals 7 times 6. Simplifying. 3D equals 42. Dividing both sides by 3. D equals 14. So another valid solution is 3, 7, 6, 14. By following this method, we can generate more valid integer solutions by carefully choosing values of C and solving for D. Thus, the valid integer pairs satisfying the conditions include 2, 8, 1, 4. 3, 7, 6, 14. And other proportional values following the same pattern. Try experimenting with other integer ratios to see if you find more pairs. If you enjoyed this problem, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math challenges. See you next time.